Hey everybody! Today we are going to explore the magical but realistic world of La La Land. La La Land is a 2016 musical romantic comedy drama film directed by Damien Chazelle. The film stars Ryan Gosling and Emma Stone as Sebastian and Mia, respectively, two aspiring artists in Los Angeles. The film has been widely praised for its direction, screenplay, musical, cinematography, and performance. Emma Stone's performance as Mia garnered widespread acclaim and won her first Academy Award for Best Actress. While Ryan Gosling's portrayal of Sebastian is charismatic and nuanced, he also undertook significant piano training to perform the musical pieces himself, adding authenticity to his performance. It's a rich, multi-layered film that pays homage to classic musical while telling a contemporary story about love, ambition, and the pursuit of dreams. Its combination of visual splendor, memorable music, and strong performance make it a standout film in a modern cinema. The central theme of La La Land is the pursuit of one's dreams and the sacrifice that comes with it. Both Sebastian and Mia have big dreams. Sebastian wants to open his own jazz club, and Mia aspires to be a successful actress. The film explores the tension between personal ambition and romantic relationship. The movie also balances a sense of nostalgia for classic Hollywood musical with a modern setting and sensibility. This is reflected in the film's visual style, music, and narrative structure. The love story between Sebastian and Mia is intertwined with their career aspiration. It portrays how their love involves and the sacrifice that they make for their careers and each other. In La La Land plays a crucial role in combining the film theme, emotional, and character development. Blue is often used to convey melancholy, introspection, and a sense of longing. The City of Stars sequence features Sebastian playing the piano under blue lightning, highlighting his dreams and the solitude of his journey. The planetarium scene also used blue to create a dreamlike, fantastical atmosphere. Red symbolizes passion, excitement, and sometimes conflict. The party scene and Mia one-woman show use red lighting and costume to convey energy and intensity. The use of red also highlights Mia's determination. Yellow represents hope, optimism, and the warmth of the Los Angeles sun. The opening number, Another Day of Sun, features characters in yellow costume, emphasizing the hopeful, energetic start of the day. The yellow dress Mia wears in the Crypt Observatory scene symbolizes a budding romance with Sebastian and the joy that they share. Also, the film frequently uses contrasting colors to create visual interest and to highlight character dynamic. For instance, in the Lovely Night dance sequence, the character costume a color blocked against the twilight sky, creating a striking visual contrast that enhances the romantic and magical nature of the scene. As the character journey progresses, the color palette evolves to reflect the emotional state and the change in their lives. The initial vibrant and saturated colors gradually gives way to more muted tones, symbolizing the character maturation and the bittersweet nature of the dreams. The costume plays a significant role in the film color scheme. For example, Mia's costume often reflects her emotional journey. Her colorful dresses in the beginning symbolize her youthful optimism, while the more subdued outfit later in the film reflect her growing realism and the complexity of her choice. The editing of La La Land is crafted to maintain a rhythmic flow that complements its musical nature. For example, the pacing of scene often mirrors the tempo of the music, crafting a seamless blend between the narrative and the musical elements. Also, the movie employs several montages to convey the passage of time and the progression of the character, careers, and relationship. The use of cross-cutting, especially in the scene that parallels Sebastian and Mia's separate lives, highlights the contrast and connection between the individual pursuits and their relationship. Also, it uses match cuts to create visual continuity and thematic connection. The musical numbers are edited to enhance the emotional and visual impact. The opening number, for example, Another Day of Sun, is a long take, that appears as a continuous shot, immersing the audience in the energy and chaos of the scene. This style of editing keeps the viewer engaged and adds to the dynamism of the musical performance. The movie makes extensive use of both natural and artificial lighting to create a different atmosphere. Daylight scenes are often bright and vibrant, reflecting the optimism and the energy of the character. In contrast, though, nighttime scenes use artificial lighting to create a more intimate and sometimes melancholic mood. The lighting in La La Land frequently employ bold, saturized colors to evoke specific emotion and moods. The movie often uses spotlighting to focus on character during key moments, creating a theatrical effect that highlights their emotion and expression. For example, this is particularly evident in the solo performance such as Mia audition song, Audition. In more dramatic and intimate scenes, low-key lighting is employed to create a strong contrast and shadow, adding depth and intensity to the visual. This technique is used in scenes where characters face personal challenge or conflict. Also, the film alternates between soft lighting, which creates a gentle romantic atmosphere, and hard lighting, which produces sharp contrast and a more dramatic effect. Section based on the season symbolizing the stage of Sebastian and Mia relationship and careers. The narrative often blurs the line between fantasy and reality, particularly in the dreamlike sequence and the climatic montage, which imagine an alternative reality where Sebastian and Mia end up together. The ending of La La Land is bittersweet and open to interpretation. It presents an alternative scenario of what could have been in Sebastian and Mia had made different choices, highlighting the themes of sacrifice and the cost of pursuing one's dreams. The final moment where they exchange a look of mutual understanding and acceptance underscore the complexity of the relationship and the paths they chose. La La Land was inspired by Singing in the Rain, a musical made and directed by Gene Kelly and Stanley Donen in 1952. It produced and set during the transition from silent film to the movies with sound in Hollywood. It followed the story of a guy, Gene Kelly, who was an actor, and his love story with inspired actress Debbie Reynolds. The theme of Singing of the Rain plays around the resilience, the adaptability, and the win of a single person against the change of time and diversity. One of the main themes of Singing in the Rain is the exploration of a romantic relationship between the two main characters, not only in an external way, but also in a more internal way, like in La La Land. In this movie, it's possible to see how the main character explores this feeling and all the passage that a person in love has to do to conquer their romantic interest. The producer of the movie shows us how sometimes life puts obstacles in front of us, and it's harder to get what we want. In this particular case, what is a career because he is popular star, while she is just an aspiring actress. In this movie, you can see love and friendship that play significant roles for a singular person, because the bonds of friendship and romantic relationship help the human being to provide support and encouragement for the ups and downs of lives. In the case of the movie, the ups and downs of the entertainment industry. Another theme of the movie is the passage from the silent movie to the sound. It shows how this passage has been a problem for some silent movie actors, and also how this new type of cinema destroyed some careers. In Singing in the Rain, it's possible to see power of artistic expression. The movie celebrated the transformative power of artistic expression through music, dance, and acting, basically like La La Land. It is also possible to see that the characters find the joy, fulfillment, and passion in their creative moments. Also, the producer wanted to show the importance of pursuing one's passion, be open to creativity, and the art of self-expression. In conclusion, both of the movies show how a man or a woman can go through everything just to pursue their dreams. Also explore themes of resilience, love, creativity, and authenticity, showing optimism and joy even when life puts us in front of a challenge and a certain situation. Both of the movies offer also to the audience a sense of escaping from reality, living in a fantasy story with a musical number, magnificent costume, and romantic portraits of Hollywood.